Hello students, today I'd like to discuss about a particular concepts of exponential function as well as logarithmic function. Till now what we learned is a composite function means a composition of two functions, after that implicit as well as explicit. In the next part, now the next part will be exponential function. What is the meaning of exponential? Means exponent, power, okay, you know that. That's why y is equal to e raised to x. The functions which are in the format of y is equal to e to the power x, okay. What's the derivative? Differentiating with respect to x. It will be what? What is y with respect to x? It is dy by dx. What is the derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x only. This is a particular aspect, okay. Based upon that, I'd like to solve one more example here, okay. If it is like this, y is equal to e to the power sine of x, okay. What's the derivative? Differentiating with respect to x, okay. I'll tell you the procedure. Y with respect to x will be dy by dx, okay. E to the power sine x derivative will be e to the power sine x, y, because e raised to x derivative will be e raised to x, e to the power sin x derivative will be e to the power sin x. Sin x derivative will be cos of x. Now again you will ask, sir, what about this x? X derivative will be 1 here. Into 1, not necessary, right? Okay, I'd like to clear this based upon the particular chain rule. How it will be a chain rule? Because e to the power is an exponential function, sin is a trigonometry function. It is a composition between two functions. That's why I need to apply the chain rule to get the regularity. Okay. Now concentrate on the board. Y is equal to same problem I'd like to solve here. Y is equal to e to the power sine of x. How I am going to solve the particular problem? Y is equal to e to the power u, where u is equal to sine of x, okay. Now initially y is the function of x, that's why apply the chain rule. Dy by dx is equal to, we are going to apply here, applying what? A chain rule, okay. Applying a chain rule, it will be, what is the derivative of, okay, y is a function of x, it is dy by dx. Now it is y is a function of u, it will be dy by du. After this one, u is a function of x, du by dx. I think you understood the part, okay. Then after this one, I'd like to write the term as a d by du of, next to d by dx of. What is the y? Can you say? Y is nothing but a e to the power u. I'd like to write e to the power u. What is u? It is sine of x. Okay. I'd like to write, what is e raised to x derivative with respect to x? E raised to x. E to the power u will be e to the power u only. Okay. What is sine x with respect to x? It is cos x. The answer will be e as it is. Substitute the u value. What is u? Yes. It is sine of x into cos x. Whether we got the same answer? Is it clear? Is it okay? The next aspect is a logarithmic function, a derivative of logarithmic function, okay. What's the derivative of d by dx of log x? That we already learned. Log x derivative is 1 divided by x. Got the point clearly? Okay, log x derivative will be 1 by x, okay. In this one, you need to understand some of the basic formulas of the logarithmics. The formulas will be very simple. It is log of, log of a into b. Log of a into b can be written as, it will be log a plus log b. Okay. Now, what about log of a by b can be written as log a minus log b. We can write like this. Okay. Then after this one, log of a to the power b can be written as b log of a. Got it? Is it okay? Then after this one, the next one will be log of x to the base y is equal to z. How I need to modify this one? How I need to modify this one means, let it be x is on left hand side only, y will go on right hand side. It is y is the base of the log. It will go on right hand side, which will be the base of z. Z will become the power. We can write like this. Okay. Okay, I'd like to discuss some of the particular examples here. Okay, y is equal to e to the power x divided by sine x. Differentiating with respect to x. y with respect to x will be dy by dx. Okay, what is u by v formula? Okay, it is v square in the denominator sin x square, sin x as it is d by dx of e raised to x minus e raised to x numerator as it is d by dx of sin x. Okay, v square, v derivative of u minus u derivative of v. Okay, then the denominator won't change, sine of x whole square as it is. Here it is sin x as it is, e raised to x derivative will be, yes, we already learned, e raised to x only, fine, minus e raised to x sin x derivative will be cos of x. Okay, in the numerator part something is common, yes, e raised to x is common. Whatever the leftover part I write, denominator is sin square x. In the numerator part, what is the leftover term? It is sin x minus cos x. Understood? Observe the next one. Differentiating with respect to x. Okay, we already learned that d by dx of e raised to x is e raised to x, x derivative will be 1 into 1, not necessary, right? But here derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Okay, then e to the power sin inverse of x derivative will be e to the power sin inverse of x. What is derivative of sin inverse of x? It will be 1 divided by square root of 1 minus x square, which is a required part. Observe the next one. Y is equal to e to the power x cube differentiating with respect to x. Okay, it will be y with respect to x will be dy by dx. What is e to the power x cube derivative? E to the power x cube means e raised to x is e raised to x. E to the power x cube will be e to the power x cube. Now power derivative, x cube derivative is 3x square. Got the point clearly? Observe the next one. It is composition of three functions. Sine outside, tan inverse inside. Again inside tan inverse e raised to minus x is there. How we have to solve this particular problem? It is very simple. Differentiating with respect to x. Okay, step by step I'll write, means you can understand easily. It will be y with respect to x will be dy by dx. Okay, now what is sin x with respect to x is cos of x, means in the position of x what is there? Angle I had write as it is tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Okay, after that the derivative of, I need to take derivative of that angle. What is the angle? Yes, in the place of angle tan inverse of e raised to minus x is there. Got it? Okay, it will be cos of tan inverse of e raised to minus x, this term as it is. Now derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. That's why I'd like to write 1 divided by 1 plus, what is the value of x square? Means in the place of x, what is there? E raised to minus x. I need to write e raised to minus x. Whether you understood properly? Okay, this power is what? E raised to minus x. Okay, now after this one, the derivative of, I need to take e raised to that particular angle, e raised to minus x. Okay, now it will be cos of tan inverse of e raised to minus x. Okay, then it will be 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to minus 2x. Okay, e raised to minus x will be e raised to minus x will be minus 1. Again, this one is also composition of three functions. That's why how I had to solve this. Differentiating with respect to x. Okay, what is derivative of d by dx of log of x? What is log x derivative? Yes, log x derivative will be 1 by x. Log of the function derivative will be 1 by the function. What is y with respect to x? dy by dx. Log of the function, log x derivative 1 by x. This x will be in the denominator. Okay, now in the x position cos is there. That's why I need to write 1 divided by cos of e raised to x, means log of the term 1 by the term. Okay, after that d by dx of that regular function or a cos of e raised to x I had to write. Is it okay? After this one, 1 divided by cos of e raised to x. What is derivative of cos? It is minus sine of e raised to x. Okay, is it okay? Is it clear? Now after this one, d by dx of e raised to x will be e raised to x I had to write. Now let it be minus as it is. Here the angles are same. Sin by cos is yes, tan of e raised to x. What is e raised to x derivative? E raised to x. We got this is a regular answer. Observe the next one. Here the function is given. I'd like to write the derivative of this function differentiating with respect to x. What is y with respect to x is dy by dx. What is e raised to x will be e raised to x only. What is e to the power x square derivative? E to the power x square as it is power derivative. X square derivative will be 2x. Okay, got it? Plus what is e to the power x cube derivative? E to the power x cube. What is x cube derivative? Yes, it is 3x square. Okay, now then plus e to the power x raised to 4 derivative. E to the power x raised to 4. What is x raised to 4 derivative? 4x to the power 3. Got it? Okay. Then what is e raised to x raised to 5? E to the power x raised to 5 as it is. What is x raised to 5 derivative? 5x to the power 4. Means power derivative I am writing here. X derivative will be 1, not necessary to write. Next one is y is equal to square root of e to the power root x. First root is the main function. After that e to the power x is the next function. Root x is the next one more function. How I need to differentiate? Whatever the formulas required for this one I wrote here. Okay. What is y with respect to x? dy by dx. Okay. What is root x derivative? 1 by 2 root x. That's why I need to write 1 by 2 root of whatever in the square root I have to write as it is. There is x, we wrote x. Here it is e raised to root x. Okay. After that root is over. Now I need to differentiate e to the power root x. Got it? Okay. Then it will be 1 divided by 2 root of e to the power root x. Okay. E to the power root x derivative will be e to the power root x only. Now after that d by dx of particular power I need to differentiate. What's the power now? It will be 1 divided by 2 root of e to the power root x. E to the power root x. What is root x derivative? 1 by 2 root x. Got it? Is there any doubt in this one? It will be, if you want to write in the simple manner, numerator is e to the power root x, denominator will be 2 into 2 will be 4, square root of, it will be in the root, I can write it as a x into e to the power root x. We got the answer. Focus on the board. Next one is log of log x. Okay. The required formula is log x derivative. We required log x derivative is 1 by x. In the position of x, here what is there? Log x. That's why what I write y with respect to x is dy by dx. Here log x derivative is 1 by x. Here log of the function. What is the function? 1 divided by log x. Is it okay? Fine. Now after that derivative of that particular function I need to take. What is the function? Log x it is. Okay. 1 divided by log x. Okay, now into log x it will be 1 by x. We got the solution as a 1 divided by x log x. Concentrate. Y is equal to cos by log. It is in the form of u by v. We need to apply the quotient rule. Differentiating with respect to x. Y with respect to x is dy by dx. I already told you the formula. What's the formula? I had write here denominator square. What's the denominator square? Log x square. Denominator as it is d by dx of what? D by dx of numerator is cos x minus, I had write cos x as it is d by dx of what? Log of x I need to take. Okay. Now the next step will be denominator as it is log x square. Log x as it is cos derivative will be minus sine of x minus cos x, let it be as it is log x derivative will be 1 by x. Further you can simplify it. Observe the next one. It is cos of log x plus e raised to x. Okay, composite one it is. Differentiating with respect to x. What is y with respect to x? dy by dx. What is cos? Means a cos function. What is a cos x derivative? Minus sine of angle should be as it is cos log x plus e raised to x as it is. Now that in the angle part whatever it is, I need to differentiate it. Okay. Now it will be minus sine of log x plus e raised to x. What is log x derivative? 1 divided by x plus e raised to x will be e raised to x. Okay, try to solve all the problem. Fine, enjoy the time.